Have you been looking for a gluten-free all-purpose flour mix? If so, we have a recipe for you, don't we, Leah? We'll show you right after this. Hey friends, welcome to our kitchen today. We're so glad you could stop by for Kitchen Time with Dad. Today I have
Leah.
And we are going to show you how to make what?
Gluten-free all-purpose flour mix.
Yeah, that's right, gluten-free all-purpose flour mix. When you go gluten-free, you can find all sorts of flour blends for this or that. You can find them at the store, and they have all sorts of different consistencies, different ingredients. Well, we have found a recipe that has worked great for our family. It has worked almost in every recipe we've tried, 1-for-1 for regular flour. So all the recipes we were able to use and we loved before we went gluten-free, we're able to take this flour mix and use it in just about all those recipes. We want to show you today how to do it. There's just a few ingredients that you need. We have white rice flour, and then we have, do you remember what this one is? Tapioca starch, and, yeah, what kind? Potato starch, that's right.
Potato starch.
And then this is,
Salt.
and do you remember this one? This is xanthan gum, isn't it? So it's easy recipe to remember. You can half it, you can double it, all sorts of easy ways. So today what we've got is we have 6 cups of white rice flour to 3 cups of tapioca starch to 1.5 cups of our potato starch. We also have 2 tablespoons xanthan gum and 1 tablespoon salt. You can see it's real easy to remember. I remember them in reverse alphabetical order. So from the white rice flour, we've got the most. We half that amount to the tapioca starch. We half that amount, and that's how much potato starch we put in. So if you don't have as much as we have, you can easily half this or even quarter it. Then for our recipe today, we've got the 2 tablespoons of xanthan gum, and then half of that we use salt, 1 tablespoon of salt. So it's easy recipe. We'd love to show you how easy it is. So we're going to go ahead and take our tapioca starch and put that right into our rice flour. Go ahead, right there. Oh, good job.
Smells good.
It smells good. There we go. Now let's go ahead and take our potato starch and put it in there. There we go. Right there. You can see the different consistencies in the flours that we have. And the xanthan gum is real powdery, so you want to be careful as you dump it in. If you get it all over the counter, it gets sticky to your washcloth when you get it wet. So we've got that in there. And then the salt. Go ahead. And all we do with it once we get it in there is we just take our whisk and whisk it up to mix it all together real good. So Leah, you go ahead and do that for us. Get that going. We go through the all-purpose flour pretty quick. We use it in our breads, muffins. We use it all sorts of different recipes that we have. We store it in one of our Snapware containers, just putting it into our pantry. If you're not going to use it as fast, you can put it in your fridge to help it last a little longer. But it's a great recipe. We use it all the time and hope that you learn to enjoy it as well. The Snapware container that we use is about a 15-cup container, and it does a good job at filling it up. So we'll show you how full we get that. Again, we store that in our pantry and use it as needed. In a lot of our recipes, we'll use 3 cups at a time of this, so you can tell it's going to go for our family pretty quick. You can see the powder that it gets, so you just want to be careful as you're getting it in there. Did I get some on your hand too? That's funny. And there we go. So there is our all-purpose flour blend. You can see it fills the container pretty good. And like I said, we store it in our pantry, use it all the time. We hope that you enjoy it. Use it in any of your recipes. 1-for-1 for regular flour. Works great. Tell us in the comments below, what is your favorite all-purpose gluten-free flour blend? We'd love to hear which works best for you as a 1-for-1 replacement in all of your recipes. If you're interested in any other gluten-free food options, we would love to share with you some of the food things that have made a difference in our family. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified when our next video comes out. Remember, healthy food for happy families. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time.